Alright everybody, so we have updates. 37s, we got some parts sold. Oh, we've got the third member ripped out of the rear axle. We got the front differential pulled out. All that sold off. We now have a engine hoist to get everything pulled out with. We have engine stand, and man, I love these tires. Alright, so these tires, they were a killer deal. Found these on Facebook, the new Craigslist, and these are 37-inch military tires off of a Hummer, and they also had the perfect bolt pattern that I needed. They've got some decent tread left in them. You know, for the price I got, really good deal. I mean, these things are massive. They're gonna be perfect. So let's go around this side, show you what we're looking at. I mean, just look at this thing. This thing is gonna be huge. Obviously, it's gonna be a lot higher up. We're gonna get some ground clearance underneath there. But 37-inch tires on the second gen 4Runner is gonna be awesome. So, pricing. $150 for the full set. That is unheard of. They all hold air. There's no crazy weathering. Yes, they're old, but they're gonna work. These things are gonna be used up on the Rubicon, Fordyce, all these trails, and they're gonna work. I'm gonna get spares, but you know what? These are gonna get me off the ground, rolling, and get this project moving forward. So very, very exciting. As far as axles, so we have 1-ton axles. We got them $500. I got a crazy good deal from my buddy Brett. This is a Dana 60 front axle. If anybody knows about these, they are worth a lot of money. Saw a posting on eBay just today, and it was $1,300 is what they were wanting for a Dana 60. Now that is just the front axle. We also have a rear axle, a Dana 70. So Brett gave me a killer deal, saved me a lot of money, and this project is just coming together. We also picked up, what else? Leaf springs. We picked up leaf springs. A lot of people go with a Chevy 63-inch spring, and I was looking for those. People wanted too much though, so I found alternatives. Something similar to the Chevy 63. From everything I'm reading on forums, obviously I'll know if they work or not after we do the mock-up, but is a F-150 spring. Early 90s F-150s that had two-wheel drive supposedly are very, very similar in performance to a Chevy 63. They are a little bit shorter, but once you get them underneath here, they work great. So how much are those? $100. All four. That gets me some suspension for $100. $100 in suspensions this far. Yes, I still have to buy hangers and mounting, and we're going to do some fabrication. There's going to be other costs, but so far, $100 in the suspension, $500 in axles, 1-ton axles, mind you, and $150 in these 37-inch tires. We'll go through a breakdown on pricing later on, but right now, because I got the 4Runner for free, I got crazy good deals on anything. I'm not buying anything for this project unless it is a killer deal. So, the grand total of my expense on this is negative $290. Why is it negative? I've sold parts. I've sold some things from my garage that weren't pertaining to the vehicle, so I did take those into account, but my bank account has $0 into this project, including the U-Haul to get this here, the vehicle, everything. I have made $290 on this project still after my expenses. So $290, what are we doing with it? We don't know yet. Today we're going to do a teardown.